All right, class. This is for lesson 9.03. And we are continuing our journey with using three-digit numbers with addition. We are also showing how we can get to numbers equaling 1,000. We're going to continue practicing on using by by adding a 10 or 100 to get to our answer to solve the problems. All right. Now let's take a look here. We are going, let me zoom out a little bit. That's a little too big. All right. All right. So now we are going to continue on. We're going to have a mix where you may have, you may be working with doubles, or you may be working with a two-digit number, a three-digit number at the top, and then a two-digit number underneath. Okay, now like I've said before, you can solve the problem however you see fit. If you think that you should just stack your numbers and do your addition that way, and that helps you get the number, then by all means, go ahead and do that. Another method that you can use is by using your counting by tens to help you get to that answer. Now, we did work through that a little in more detail in our last video. So if you did not catch the previous video, please take a look at 9.02 video to get a better understanding. Now, with these problems, they are pretty simple. Sometimes you're either going to you're either going to add 10 to the number or add 100 to the number. When you add when you add 10 to a number, the tens place gets larger by 1. And when you add 100 to a number, the hundreds get larger by gets larger by 1 number as well. So let's take a look at these. Look at this first one. 300, 391 plus 10. Okay. So as you can see, we can count by tens. We can add a 10. So 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Since we got a 10 here, we got to carry that. Since we have a third number up here, we need to carry that number over. So that becomes 3 plus 1 equals 4. So our answer for this one right here is 401. Okay. Now, let's look at the next one right here. 448 plus 100. Since there are zeros underneath here, I do want to give you a little trick here. If there's zeros underneath here, you can go ahead and slide on over to the hundreds and go ahead and count the hundreds first. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. And then we already know that this is going to be 548. Okay. So let's take a look here. We got 567. 567. 567 plus 90. As you can see, our numbers are getting bigger. Okay, so we already know 7 plus 0 equals 7. 6 plus 9 equals 15. And 1 plus 5 equals 6. Okay, now if we're counting by 100s, and we know that we got that 0, we got zeros underneath there. Do we need to like worry about trying to count those? No, because we know that those numbers are going to be the same in the tens, in the ones place. They're going to be the same numbers. Those numbers are not changing. So let's 629 plus 300 equals. Let's slide over here. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 2 and 9 comes on down. So that brings us to 929. Okay. Right. And we are going to move right along. We're at 813 plus 40. Okay. Let's take a look here. Do we need to worry about the ones? Because this is 0 underneath. We already know that that top number is going to go ahead and come on down. Now we need to add the tens. Okay. So 1 plus 4 equals what? 5. Okay. And then we know that 8 plus 0 equals what? 8. All right. All right, now we're on our last one. Now, if we are adding 100s, then let's go ahead and, like I said before, if there's zeros underneath there, we just go ahead. We just need to slide on over to the hundreds place. So 9, 7 plus 2 equals 9. We're gonna bring down at 84, and here we are. We're at 984. All right. So my friends, you kind of got what is going on here. You can go ahead and start watching this video. See me, tell me that you are done in Zoom. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And that's all for this video. Bye.